ukuze umuzi wamakhumalo ungafi. You must step up. Protect umuzi.
So manje ngishada umuntu nami?
No. Angikhulumi ngokushada.
Oh.
Ngikhuluma ukuthi umuzi uprotectwa ngabantu.
Abantu kanjani ingane?
Yeah.
I don't understand what's happening right now. I don't understand what's happening right now because it's insane to me. Mhlawumbe feels like he's at the last straw and now he has to now call me in, but hey, not me, coach. Not me. I'm on the bench for this one. I'm so sorry. I also don't want to singing ekhulumeni lento efokuthi kwanaye uvo lwakhe alokho etafuleni. I've never had an explicit conversation with Uma. I would say, girl, do you want me to bet it for you? She would rather roll over and die for me to do such a thing on her behalf. With regards to ingane, it's not possible.
Blame abafazi bakaMusa Mseleko, but when it comes to Umusa, he always gives us something to talk about. Bad. This is so bad. It's so bad. He's traumatizing abantwana. He's so bad. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Guys, what Umusa was saying to Umbulently is not a good thing. So he said Umbulently should extend umuzi wakamseleko. I mean, even if umntwana was not born emshadweni, don't see her as the opportunity yakho. Don't. Umusa saw Umpilently as opportunity yokuthi Umpilently mele aphathe umntwana kaMakhumalo nomntwanakhe. That's what he's trying to say kahle kahle. And uzama ukuyifilterisha with so many ways, and I'm glad Umpilently is so smart and she saw this. Uyibonise zinto about this is not for me. This guy looked down on Usni umntwanakhe. Umbhekela phansi lo webhizizala. Usine uceda ukuzala. Why angatshela Usine ukuthi lo mntana aceda ukumzala akamthatha yomnikeza uMakhumalo? Because he knows very well ukuthi Usine ngeke avume. So bekacabanga ukuthi mhlambe umpilo uthambile, mhlamba angavuma. Akahambe ayenza lezo zinto le or bazame IVF. Umusa angazosela ifamily yakhe, guys. This is so wrong. This guy's he's not okay. He's not okay. No, ngiyala. But I'm glad Shem ukuthi umpilo and sengijabulele nokuthi uMakhumalo raised umpilo kahle. Umpilo can reason and can see wrong no right. Guys, Nina, what are your thoughts on this? I think this is insane and I'm glad ukuthi umpilo was Bella Shem. Thank you for watching.